Welcome back. Mungal residents have demanded that open dustbin in their area in Margaon should be demolished immediately. The agitated locals claim that residents of other villages come and dump their garbage in their area. They claim that Margaon municipality's day-to-day garbage collection from their doorstep and there is no need of a dustbin.
सगळ्यांनी उडे जाय कचरो बरे शाबा सांगता आमकां तुमकां सांगपाक कोण
प्रॉब्लम कितें तुमकां
बस येत न्हू
दोना येयला हिंगा गार्बेज पेडावल्यो बांगल्यो हिंगा गाडी आसता बंद एक मारुती येता बंद आनी ती बंद येता आनी ते तुटल्या पोला अशें करून वयताय.
I do not understand who is responsible for this mess which has been created here. Because we are having the door-to-door collection and there is no need to dump the garbage here. They are fully aware, the people who are working and the corporators, the hotels which are there, they are dumping this garbage.
हे सगळे हॉटेलाची आडून उडयताय ताका लागून तुम्ही कितें तरी एक्शन करून ते डस्टबिन काढून उडोवचे.
We also saw one of the residents carrying garbage from other village and dumping it in the open dustbin at Mungul. Savio dies for prudent.
The JMFC court has granted 7-day police remand to Zain Almeida, accused in down-the-road pub stabbing case. Initial investigations suggest that Zain Almeida was drunk at the time of crime. Zain became furious over comments passed by the victims and stabbed them brutally.
The Panji JMFC court has granted 7-day police remand to accuse Zain Almeida in down-the-road pub stabbing case. Police so far could not record the statement of victims Raju Sareen and Rafael De Costa, as both are not in condition to speak. Initial probe suggests that accused Zain Almeida was coming out of pub near Old Pato Bridge in Panji along with his female friend in the early morning on Sunday. Both the victims passed some comments about his female friend and Zain got provoked. After a verbal argument, Zain attacked Raju Sareen and Rafael De Costa with a sword which he was carrying in his car. Police is waiting to record statement of victims to corroborate version of accused. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Bengaluru Football Club have created history in Indian football by winning the I-League in their debut season. Bengaluru beat Dempo Sports Club by 4 goals to 2 at Fatodda on Monday evening to take an unassailable lead in the league. Second placed East Bengal cannot overtake Bengaluru even if they win their remaining match and Bengaluru lose their final league match. 5-time champions Dempo meanwhile remain in the 6th place and will battle it out with the 7th placed Pune in their last match next Monday.
Dempo, of course, has nothing to claim a stake in this tournament because they are at number 6 and at 32 points. If they win, they go to 35. And here's an attempt by left footer, and my goodness, what has happened in the second minute of the play here? Here is the first surprise coming in. Magnanimous and get a goal scored on them.
I think it was a little casual. Well, Robin Singh over here, and a nice shot. And that is goal number 2, a surprise goal.
Likely goal. He came from the left wing through that pass there, and the defenders are appealing for an offside, but the referee overlooked that one, and they were all looking at the referee. Meanwhile, he sneaked the ball through, and Beto there, and that one netted beautifully. Now this is class, experience. This 35-year-old Brazilian.
This was a lovely, very well worked out goal. And very well taken, clinical finish by young Romeo Fernandez. So the substitutes have done justice to...
He won't like the match to be equalized. And here's an attempt at the goal. My goodness, at the fag end. Sunil Chetri getting to his foot. Bengaluru, and here goes the final whistle. And Bengaluru, with this win, have advanced up to the top position, where now East Bengal cannot reach.
Too many people gave a bit of a chance when it all started this time around.
In a row champion, we have a new champion of India, and for the first time from a southern
that are running high there, you can understand what Ashley Westwood means to that particular dress. Novi did improve with every game.
Yes, and we can see they've even just only East Bengal and they have lost 5. So they've even lost less. And the important thing is that they can't be caught up.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.